guys, Kim Flores, and it's been a while since I've done a video. Good reason for that, just life events, you know, stuff happens. But anyway guys, I wanted to update you on our new camper and our new truck and what we've done since actually since November of 2017. This is now March of 2018. We are now here on our property, Eastern Arizona, affectionately known as Mustang Rock. We're having a great time with some friends that we call family, and we have some visitors also. But anyway guys, what I wanted to update you on was our new F350. Kind of a pretty color, don't you think? It's just a little bit dirty, but that's what happens when you get snowed on. But anyway guys, this is my Fuzion 40-foot toy hauler, and it was okay doing boondocking and such, but until we got the solar put on, it wasn't complete. So now it is, and I wanted to kind of go over what we had done. We are truly off-grid boondocking. Just a happy camper here. We're going to be here a while, so we have set up some 100-pound propane tanks. If you remember from my previous videos, in my Cougar, okay, this area here is where we put our batteries. But this one here has a generator in there, so I was kind of the room for the batteries was not available in that area. The propane goes in here, and back up in here. Okay, it's kind of tight quarters, but I'm going to show you this from this side, the utility side, what we actually put in here. I'm going to open the door from the other side, but my batteries are stacked along there. They're upright, they're up against the wall, they're out of sight, out of mind. The breakers and the controller are there, they're out of sight, but they're out of, you know, reach of anything hitting them and causing any problems. Let me come around the other side here, and I will show you from the other side what we are talking about. I have some other videos, pictures of this, guys, but in here I've got all my stuff packed away, and you can see how it fits really nice. I might have too much stuff, but you know, that's how it goes. But anyway, the batteries fit really nice up in here. There's 4. Oh, I forget how many amp hours they are. They're 400 and something each. There's 4 of them. And they are all set up, and they are charging nicely with the panels that we just had installed. Now you're probably wondering, where is my inverter? We have a Magnum charger inverter, and Eddie of Mobile Homestead Solar Services found this nice little, get rid of some of my stuff, guys, back up in here, pocket back. He straightened out the panel from back there. I mean, it was coming at an angle, and it was robbing me of storage space. So anyway, there's a little bit of a gap right there, which we're going to put a board up against that. But anyway, it's the Magnum is setting right in here where the power center is. I'll show you in a minute when I go inside. And it's sitting real nice. It's ventilated, and it's got its own little home, and it's doing its job nicely. So let me take you inside now. As you can see, guys, right here, this is where my power center is. Dog dish. Right there is my main power center. But what Eddie did was we split it, okay, in order to make it stronger and safer. Him being from the heating and air background, we put in a new power center just for those components that are going to be using most of the inverter's power. And this is kind of, you know, it's just a safety factor. But it really kind of blends in really nice. That way, you know, there's no problems. If this breaker gets tripped, it's not going to trip the whole camper. Okay. So, but anyway, this is, guys, I cannot stress enough, if you're going to do any kind of off-gridding, boondocking, whatever you want to call it, is to get you one of these catalytic heaters. Okay. It runs right now. We've got it using a portable tank. We're going to be routing it underneath and tapping it into the refrigerator's line, so we'll have a permanent connection. But in here, see, another thing that Eddie did for me was he took out this panel. There was a panel across here. It was blocking this whole area. But you see all that room I've got back up in there? I keep my dog food right in here now. But I could also put taller items down in there. This hole here goes into the bathroom in the back. So that's where the propane tank is for this Wave 6. And it's vented, guys. I'm going to bring you through my garage / office. I will show you. Right there's where the bottle sits. Now when it's running, either the window's open or the vent upstairs is open. And you can still use the bathroom as a bathroom. But anyway, guys, just a quick scan here of my office. We also added a washer. Okay, well, I didn't decide on the dryer just yet, because I figured, well, I'll just hang my clothes up on this line right here for now. All right, guys, so this is kind of a rough, crude video, I know, but I wanted to get it done before, you know, time elapsed. This is how we live as off-gridders. Okay. My Wave 8, Wave 8, hello, everything's got a wave, right? New Wave oven, I use that a lot. I try not to use too much of the stove because it eats propane, but if I can use that. I also have a induction cook plate, which, you know, I store in there for the time being. I also filter my water rather than use bottled water. I filter the water, and then I put it in this container for, you know, for storage. Some people use bottled water. That's totally fine, but I just don't have the room to store the bottles and all. And this works fine for us. So anyway, guys, so I just thought I'd, you know, update you on what is happening with us right now. And Cinnamon says she loves you all, and we will talk to you later.